For example 2, we're going to match each equation with its graph. Our three equations are y equals 2x minus 3, y equals negative 2x, and y equals 2x plus 3. For graph A, the first thing we want to do is we want to look and find out at what point does it cross the y-axis. It crosses the y-axis right here, and that's at the point positive 3. We're also going to look at the difference between one point and the next consecutive point, and we can see that this graph goes up by 2 for every point that it goes. You can see it goes up by 2 for every point that it goes. So then the equation for this one would be y equals 2, because it goes up by 2 each time, plus 3, because it starts at a y-intercept of 3. The next graph over here, let's see where it crosses the y-axis. It crosses the y-axis here at negative 3. Again, how much does it go up between one point and the point next to it? It goes up by 2 each time, because here it goes from negative 3 to negative 1, negative 1 to positive 1, positive 1 to positive 3, and so on. So it goes up by 2 each time, but it starts at negative 3, so the equation is y equals 2x minus 3. That only leaves us one equation left, but again, let's look at the graph. This time it goes through 0 on the y-axis, and this time it's pointing to the left, so we know that it's a negative graph. Again, it's going up by negative 2 each time. It's negative because it points up to the left, but it's going up 2 spaces each time, so our graph is y equals negative 2x.